Hello guys, this is Dmitriy Lavrov from Tradunity, and this is my first video about how my trading robot works. For this, I will use visual mode of the trading platform MT4. We will see all possible trades which the trading robot could open starting from the beginning of this year up to the end of June. We start visual mode, and all trades you will see in this window. These narrows show the possible entry levels and the possible exit levels, which the robot use for opening and close positions. In this graph, you can see how your deposit could be changed during the trading. So you see the period of drawdown and the period when your deposit grows. As you can see, probably the period of drawdown was during this sideways movement, and when the market moves upwards and we could have a strong price movement, the robot made the profit. As you can see, the robot opens many trades, and for manual trading, sometimes it's impossible to follow so many signals per day. So in order to not to skip all possible trade opportunities, the robot can be a really interesting way out. So you can see that after dropping, we move to the profit. It's not much, but still. Sometimes markets allow us to make good profits. Sometimes we have drawdowns or we move not far from zero. Here it is, a new drawdown started, but it was not so deep as in the beginning of the new year, but it will be interesting which results we can give in some months. Also, you can see all possible trades in the results, where you can see all entry levels, stop levels, and profit or loss if the trade was closed by the stop. Here is another sideways movement, which probably is not so good for the robot and for these exact settings, and it can lead us to such drawdowns. So it's normal. So after finishing testing, we can see the results in report, and we can see that for 6 months profit made 6%, just more than 6% of profit. The drawdown was about 7%, and it is normal also for such type of robots. So probably you can say that the robot is not so profitable as it could be. Okay, let's use more data for understanding how profitable it can be in long run. We made back tests starting from 2008, and for 10 years it showed a good profit. So let's do it again. This time we just changed the starting date, and we don't use visual mode because it will take a lot of time. So this time we can see also only how your deposit changed during the time, and we will do it also in graph. We start also from just a little profit, and we faced in some time with drawdown. But it means nothing. The trading robot is profitable in the long run, and our target to help it to realize the potential and not to blow up the account during drawdowns. For this, proper money management will be really very important. So you can see after drawdown, when the settings was not good for that market conditions, the robots start making profit because the market conditions were suitable for the settings. You can see some small drawdowns, you can see some deeper drawdowns, but still, the run just about, you can see a number of trades, the trading robot makes profit. Here we see just a sideways movement and just small drawdown, which also can be when the market moved in range. The same goes about this testing. All possible trades you can find in results with entry levels, stop levels, take profit levels, and results. You can see how the trading robot placed orders, modified them, delete them, and so on. In this column, you can see how your deposit could be changed. You can see another period when the market conditions were not so good for these settings and the robot may draw down. This drawdown can be for weeks, such drawdowns can be for months or sideways movements, but in further trading, you can cover all these drawdowns by profit, which trading robot can make. As you can see, after drawdown and unstable period, the market conditions were changed, and again the trading robots start making profit. When you start trading, you can start it from here, or you can start it from here, and you can face with a period when it will seem to you that trading robot doesn't work. No, it works. You just need to wait for some time. I would like to offer you to think about profit just based on at least 6 months of trading. As you can see, all trades were made and based on the data, which we will see later, we can be sure that the settings are profitable. Here you can see another drawdowns. They also can be in the beginning of your trading, but still after drawdowns, the market allowed us to make profit, and the trading robot made profit again and again after all drawdowns. You can see another drawdown and profit, drawdown, profit. Just if you started from $10,000, in 9 years you could reach 1 million. So we made this back test, and it is time to look at report. For this period, for 10 years, we started from 10,000 as initial deposit, and we could make total net profit just about 1,100,000 and $44. So the other parameters which we should look at are maximum drawdown, which is about 8%, and such parameters like profit factor, which should be more than 1, and expected payoff, which should be also the more is the better. For this period, we can face with uh, 9 losses, one by one, and with 17 profits, profit trades one by one. The average profit rate, you can see also the result, and you can see that average profit is less than average loss rate. But with profit with win rate, which is 63.5%, it allows us to be in profit. And I would like to pay attention that we have modeling quality just about 99.9%, which is rather good. So after getting these results, and you can see how we face with periods of drawdowns, periods of sideways movements, how our robot moved from these periods and how it made profit. So I think these robots can make profit. Just the main things you have to follow. Let the trading robots realize potential and use proper money management. In this period of drawdowns with wrong trade volume with higher risk, probably the deposit will be blow up. But with possible settings, conservative settings, you can pass these periods and cover all previous losses by good profit in the future. Thanks for your attention.